Take away 3. 3. There. This is wrong. X, Mommy.
Why?
Because there's nothing 7.
Oh, ilan pala yan?
There's 2, 4.
4.
And 2.
Oh. Look at the sign. Is it minus or plus?
Plus.
So, plus. Pero 7. Oh dear, mali nga. What happened?
You do that.
It's the... Sino bang may gawa niyan?
I think someone.
I think someone.
I think someone do it.
Oh.
I think someone do it, Mommy.
So, anong susundin mo dyan?
It's
The problem solving or the equation? Which one, anong ipa-follow mo dyan?
it's minus.
Oh, ito minus. This is plus. Kasi ang title, konsepto ng pagsasama at pagbabawas. So, this is pagbabawas, number 1. Then, this one is pagsasama. So, mali nga ano? Ano?
This is not 7. This is
Oh,
2, 4.
oh 4.
2.
Oh, ano daw?
2, 4, 6.
Oh, 6.
It's 6, Mommy.
Oh, why is it 7? Oh, can you read the problem?
Fire.
Oh, can you read the problem? Dali, go.
Number 2.
Oh, si Pei, gali. Bas.
My 7 ampalaya. Ampalaya.
Oh, ampalaya. It's a bitter gourd. Kung,
Kung hindi.
anong kung hindi? Kung hiningi,
Ni. Kapatid. Niya. Itu ampalaya. Laya. Ilan ginagawang ampalaya kay? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ah.
6, Mommy.
oh, ano daw yan 6?
This is 6, Mommy. 6. This is not 6, it's 4.
Mali nga. So, you need to follow this. Not this. It's wrong. Wrong problem solving. Mali ito. Ito na lang, oh. Kasi ito, pagbabawas na minus. Kasi ang konsepto ng pagsasama at pagbabawas. So, ito, dito ka na. It should be plus. Not follow this sentence. Oh, mali yan. Ito na lang, oh. 4 plus. Tingnan mo si sign, oh. It's plus. Even if the problem...
Why there's a white on the plus?
Oh, ayaw mo na. It's normal.
Normal?
Yeah. Oh, dali na.
It's normal.
Oh, dali na.
4 plus 2 equals 6.
Oh, dali. Oh, write the equation.
4. Here we go to plus 2. The fire in the head. Plus 6.
Good job.
It's the same 6.
Yes.
Wow.